Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today, the text function. It takes any number or date and converts it into formatted text. Dates, percentages, padded numbers, currency, whatever format you need. 4 real examples coming up. First up, formatting a date as text. We've got Charizard's capture date in column L showing as 1/15/2024. We want to turn that raw date into a nice long English label. Type equals text, then L3, which is the capture date, comma, then our format string in quotes. 4 lowercase m's for the full month name, a space, D for the day number, comma, then 4 Y's for the 4-digit year. Close the parentheses, hit enter. January 15th, 2024. The text function reads the date underneath and rebuilds it in whatever format string you give it. Powerful for reports and labels. Next, combining text with formatted numbers in one big concatenated sentence. We want a result pulling Blastoise's name, total stats, and speed all in one cell. Type equals, then B4, which is the name, ampersand, quote total is quote. Now we wrap text around the total. Text E4, comma, quote pound, comma, pound 0, quote. That format gives us comma grouping for thousands, so 1234 would show as 1234. Ampersand quote and speed is quote. Then another text, this time K4, comma, quote 3 zeros, quote. The 3 zeros pad the number to 3 digits, so 78 becomes 078. Close it, hit enter. Blastoise total is 630 and speed is 078. One formula, mix text and numbers, with full control over how each number displays. Great for inventory codes, IDs, anything that needs leading zeros or thousands separators in a sentence. Now a percentage label. We want to show what fraction of Pikachu's total stats come from HP, displayed as a percentage with 1 decimal place. Type equals, then quote, HP share colon space quote. Ampersand text. Inside, we divide F5 by E5. F5 is HP, E5 is total stats. That gives us a raw decimal like 0.109. Then comma, quote, 0.0% sign quote. That format multiplies by 100 and adds the percent sign automatically. Ampersand quote of total stats quote. Close it, hit enter. HP share colon 10.9% of total stats. The text function turned a raw ratio into a clean percentage phrase. No calculation needed on your end. Last one. Let's build a compact report line for Meowth using TEXTJOIN with text functions inside. Type equals TEXTJOIN. The delimiter is quote space pipe space quote. True to ignore any empty pieces. Then our pieces, separated by commas. First, B6 ampersand quote open paren quote ampersand C6 ampersand quote close paren quote. That gives us Meowth open paren normal close paren. Next, quote gen space quote ampersand D6 for the generation number. Next, quote total space quote ampersand text E6 comma pound 0 with comma grouping. Finally, quote speed space quote ampersand text K6 comma 0. Close it, hit enter. Meowth, normal, gen 1, total 290, speed 90, all neatly separated by pipes. Perfect for a clean one-line summary in dashboards or reports. So that's text, one function that converts numbers and dates into formatted strings. Dates, percentages, padded numbers, currency, thousand separators, anything you can build with format codes. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your text formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.